All right, so this morning, nothing was popping, nothing was happening. Even the scanner's just been like dead all morning. So you could see like nothing was, nothing's happening. So I was actually looking at KCAC and I was gonna jump in over go time, which is right there. My green line is go time. So I was gonna jump in here. I actually didn't get filled, so I don't know. This thing was moving super slow, and so I decided okay, and then it just tanked. So apparently, the market is so slow today, which I'm guessing because everything's taking a dive today. So you can see the overall market is just taking a nice dump this morning. So and is making new lows. Look at this. 351.96, 351.88. It's making new lows. So I'm guessing that's why the market is just not doing anything. So I guess this is one of these days you just sit out. Because I'm a long bias trader. I'm not a shorter. You know, it seems like small caps this morning wasn't really doing much. Um, so we just sit and watch today. Today's one of these days you just don't want to do anything. You know, it's better to just sit there and watch. Um, then when the market is hot and it's going straight up to the moon, then I'll be right there, ready to uh, take advantage of the opportunity. Alrighty, so no trades today. I will chat with you guys tomorrow. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Links below if you're looking to get my scanner settings. I'll hook you up on that one. You know, I'll try to look out for you guys. So go ahead and click on that link below. Also, there's a 20% um, discount for this holiday that's coming up, I guess. So I'm gonna put that link down below as well. So if you guys want this 20% discount for trade ideas, go ahead and sign up. All right. I'll chat with you guys another day.